Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And today this video is all about KIKO Milano, K-I-K-O Milano. So if you're interested and you're in love with them like I am, please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this whole video is about me giving my final and I guess my first impressions and final impressions of products. So I'm doing a series of reviews just on products that I've been using. I'm not necessarily making videos of every single one of them, but I am definitely reviewing them and letting you know what I think. I am simply in love with KIKO Milano, K-I-K-O Milano. I first found out about them, I think I saw a store somewhere, but when we were in Milan, Italy, that's when I really discovered the line. I was like, oh my God, this is beautiful, this is great, and the price is out of this world. So I'm going to do a couple of swatches. I want to show you guys. Today I am wearing, this is my full everyday look, believe it or not. I love this look. And I decided to take it up a notch with KIKO Milano. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous mustard yellow, oh my God, shimmer eyeshadow. The number for this one is 05. Primarily their eyeshadows are numbered, but I think some of them may have names like Duo or something like that, Bright Duo. But I kid you not, if you go there, the pigmentation is ridiculous. So I'm going to do my best with swatching. This is not my best favorite thing to do, but if you could see my eyes, it's gorgeous. And all you have to do is put just a little bit, just a little. So I'm going to take one of my Morphe brushes, the E15. I just want to show you the product has little or no fallout, which I love. It's crazy beautiful. Let's see here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And on my skin tone, I love it. It's just so beautiful. I just love the fact that it gives the perfect amount of shimmer, little or no fallout, and I'm hooked. Okay, so this is one. So I give KIKO's eyeshadow, especially this one, the 05, a 5-star. Okay, so every time I go to a store, one of their stores, whether I'm in the US or outside of the country, I stock up because you never know when a company might run out or go out of business these days. Okay, so here's a beautiful, beautiful, this is more of that same, I would say almost Chinese mustard, hot mustard color, but in matte. And I have the shimmer and I got the matte. This is number 19 and they specify high pigmented and they are true to their word. Okay, let's try this puppy. Wow. This product will clearly work on any skin tone or shade. I kid you not, I'm more of I call myself a chocolate girl, but people say I'm not really chocolate, but I'm chocolate. I'm chocolate as I want to be, okay? So, here we go. This is gorgeous, so I highly recommend number 19 for all women of color and you gentlemen too. So, let's see the next one. I bought so many, it's ridiculous. And I must give full disclosure as I'm going through this. I'm using the BC Blank Slate Blank Slate brush cleaner. So after each application, you just use that, cleans it off, no problem, go on to the next palette. Okay, so I also decided to try some deep smoky shadows as well. This one here is number 24. Simply gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous for under the eye. You could also put this on whether it's the upper lid, your lower waterline, potentially. They have a beautiful pencil. I'll go into some of those as well. But I kid you not, this can go to, it can be a transition color if you're doing a smoky eye. But I highly recommend just using it right here on the upper lid in the corners. Simply gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to do my best to swatch this. Oh, this is just a gorgeous color. Simply gorgeous. And it's deep and rich. Oh my God, I love it. Wow, and it has a slight shimmer to it. It's really nice, and I think it would look great on any skin tone, trust and believe. Okay. All right, and sure enough, this brush comes out really clean with this slate. I do highly recommend this as well. They have these beautiful, what you call duo palettes. They're so cute. It's two-tone. It's like a beautiful lavender and then a deep purple. So I'm going to swatch the deep purple. But trust me, I've used them both, and I'm totally hooked. Okay. This is so beautiful. It's ridiculous. Their formulas are outstanding. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to just tap lightly, so lightly. Let me see, what brush do I want to use? I'll use this one just to use kind of the lighter, more of a, oh, yeah, this is gorgeous too. Oh my God, and the two together, forget about it. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh my gosh. I am hooked, shook, and slayed. Trust and believe. So, any of their palettes work. I'm going to do a couple of more. This one here, did I say what this one is? I apologize. This is number 12, the duo, number 12. This one here is gorgeous as well. This one is number 11. And once again, as I mentioned, they all say high pigmented. Okay. And this is a beautiful burgundy, a deep, rich burgundy color. I would highly recommend it for evening. Oh, wow. I'm loving this product. This one had a little bit more fallout than the other palettes for some reason. But if you can see, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. To do a smoky eye with this, I love it. So I'm going to do one light palette, and then I'll show you. And you know, because it's just simple enough, I call these palettes because, in my opinion, they're a little palette for me. Okay, so now I'm going into, this is a beautiful, almost a cream color shimmer. This is 02. So let's see what 02 is going to do for me. Once again, I don't get to wear really, really vibrant colors that much during the day. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at here, baby, baby. I'm loving it. So, as you can see, I am totally all into this. And then they have the most adorable palettes for blush. You can get different sizes, but the ones that I like are the ones that I could easily put in my purse, carry in my travel bag, whatever, my gym bag. So this color here is a number 10. And forgive me, yeah, this is 02, the cream shimmer. The blush palette is gorgeous. It's more like a beautiful fuchsia. This is number 10. And I did get a couple of other ones. This one here is a similar blush palette in number 11. And this here is a blush. It's a metal fusion. Gorgeous. They have just the most beautiful packaging. Is this elegant or what? A little mirror. Hi, how are you? Okay. In addition to those items that I purchased, and once again, it's like I'm doing my makeup. I'm trying to improve on just the quality of how I do my makeup, the look, my contouring and things. And these products really, really help. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a couple of their pensos, which I think I bought every one that they make. I think I did. Because they were like $2. What the hell am I going to do? Okay. So this one here is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is more of, it's like a crayon. And it's similar to the deep purple. Gorgeous. unbelievable. This is number 05. 05. This is a gorgeous blue. I'm trying to show you guys as best I can with these swatches. Beautiful. I mean, this pigmentation is off the chain. It really is. This here, yes, is number 15. And then I got a gang of them, so I'm only going to do like 4. This one is a black. It's very intense. Number 16. Wow. Look at this. I mean, this is crazy. And you can definitely use it on your lower waterline. You could use it on your lower lash line. Whatever. It works. Okay, last but not least for today. This is, and this one, I think I said number 15, the blue. This is number 11. It's gorgeous. It's like a burgundy. Look at that shot. It's beautiful. So, all in all, KIKO Milano gets a 5-star. Yay! And I'm so happy to say that their prices, I believe, are affordable for everybody. Simply because you're going to keep these in your collection forever and use them regularly because they're beautiful. They're very pigmented. So I highly recommend that you guys check their store out. They're nationwide, I believe, worldwide, because I found out about them in Milan. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you click the JB and subscribe to this little family. Also, click the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and check out my beauty blog at Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.